There are days when I hate my job. It just bugs me. It's stupid, thankless, it doesn't pay enough. However, driving around in the rain, in circles, listening to Norah Jones, drinking Starbucks in the rain, I don't know, there's something about it that just kind of makes me feel more hopeful. I just can't help but think to myself, I wonder what my next kiss will be like. I wonder who she'll be. I wonder what she'll be like. I wonder why she'll kiss me. I guess rain makes me feel optimistic.